Memorizing a lot of words will not help you to speak better English. Why? Because if you don't know how to use them in real conversation, they become useless. Hi, my name is Vineeta, and in today's video, I have 50 interesting words for you. You can use them right away to level up your English. And I have divided those words in different categories so that it will be easier for you to remember and use them. So let's get started. So first category is giving compliments to someone. If you find someone is looking really good, amazing, and you want to tell them, then rather than using simple words, you can say, you look stunning, you look beautiful, or charming, handsome, gorgeous. So you can use these 5 types of words. They are very simple, but still if you don't know how to use them, this way you can learn how to use them. So these words are stunning, beautiful, handsome, charming, gorgeous. And if you find someone's dress sense or fashion sense is really good and you want to compliment them, then you can simply say your dress sense or fashion sense is classy or elegant or chic or trendy or stylish. It depends. If they are wearing something trendy, you can say, oh, this looks trendy. Or if someone is stylish, they always come up as a stylish person, you can compliment them by saying you look chic or stylish. So this way you can make them feel better about their fashion sense. And if you have to give compliment to someone about their work or their performance, then you can use the words like your performance is impressive, you were remarkable, or you can say you were outstanding, you are brilliant, or your performance is exceptional. So this way you can make the person feel nice about their work ethic. So these words are impressive, outstanding, remarkable, exceptional, brilliant. You can use them to provide any compliment about their work. Now next is compliment about someone's personality. For example, if you meet someone and you like their personality or any particular trait about their nature, then you can compliment them using some words. I will tell you now. If you find someone is kind by nature, then you can use words like you are generous, down to earth, compassionate, and modest. So these 4 words are good words to use if you find someone is really kind. So these are generous, compassionate, down to earth, and modest. And if you know someone who is really hardworking and you want to make them feel good about themselves, then you can provide them some compliments by using words like you are dedicated, you are determined, or you are an ambitious person. It will make them feel really good about themselves. And if you meet people who are really friendly by nature or they make you feel comfortable around them, then for them you can use these words like, then you can say you are welcoming, or you are approachable, and you are an easygoing person, or you are pleasant by nature, because they are making you feel comfortable. So it will be a good way to compliment them about this nature. And if you come across someone who is really confident by nature and they know what they are talking or what they are doing, then you can say, oh, he is really fearless, she is brave, I think that person is really bold, or you are assertive by nature. These 4 words are good words to use for a confident person. These 4 words are good to use: fearless, bold, brave, assertive. And if you meet someone who is funny by nature, who makes you laugh harder, then you can use words like, oh, you are playful by nature, he is jolly by nature, you are hilarious, or you are lively by nature. These 4 words like lively, hilarious, playful, and jolly, these are good words to use for such people who are funny in nature. And if you meet someone who talks a lot or who is expressive by nature, for them you can use words like, oh, he is talkative by nature, or she is outspoken or outgoing by nature, or he is an extroverted person or extroverted by nature. So these 4 words, outgoing, outspoken, extroverted, and talkative, are good to use for such people. And if you meet someone who is shy or quiet by nature, then you can use words like, oh, you are reserved by nature, or introverted by nature, or mysterious or thoughtful. These four words are good to use for such people: reserved, introverted, thoughtful, and mysterious. And by chance, if you come across someone who is rude by nature, then you can use words like, oh, he is impolite, or she is self centered, you are so judgmental, or he was unpleasant. So, words like, so for them, you can use these words like impolite, unpleasant, judgmental, self centered. And if you know, and if you meet someone or know someone who gets angry easily, then for them you can use words like aggressive, like, oh, he or she is aggressive by nature, or short tempered, they are short tempered by nature, or moody, or frustrated. So these four words you can use. So you can use these four words: aggressive, short tempered, moody, and frustrated. So these were 50 words from my side. What you can do, you can pick 4-5 words daily and you can use them from different categories, and let me know which category you can relate the most. And thank you so much for watching this video till end.